Hello students, welcome to the online classes of Defense Career Academy. This is Imran Khan, Biology faculty in DCA. We will start a new topic, that is Introduction to Human Respiration. In this, we will see the definition of respiration and what is the basic fundamental process of respiration. So in this video, we will see actual concept of respiration. Commonly we see that the inhalation of oxygen and exhalation of carbon dioxide is carrying out. But what is happening at the cellular level, that is most important to understand. In this definition, you will see that a respiration is a biochemical process in that the oxidation of the organic compound in an orderly manner takes place and which results in the end of the liberation of chemical energy, that is ATP, adenosine triphosphate. You know that the third phosphate is having large amount of energy. So cellular currency, energy currency is ATP. So let me give you the definition of the actual equation of respiration. Organic compound C6H12O6, that is glucose, will be oxidized with the 6 molecule of oxygen, and in results after oxidation, which definition is also telling this is a biochemical process which is taking place inside the cell. Oxidation of this organic compound means C6H12O6, 6 carbon compound glucose, and it gives what? It gives 6CO2 plus 6H2O plus 38 numbers of ATP. 38 numbers of ATP, and this 38 numbers of ATP will have a high amount of energy. So one molecule of glucose is giving 38 numbers of ATP. In results of this CO2 will exhaling and this O2 is inhaling. So when human inhale oxygen, so this oxygen will takes place, catabolize. This is an important part in the metabolism, catabolic reaction. This is a catabolic reaction which will also called as glycolysis. Okay. Now what is happening at the cellular level, that is the most important thing we need to understand. So for example, if I am drawing a cell, this is a simple cell. We are drawing it for understanding purpose, for getting the actual concept. So if glucose is coming in the cells, C6H12O6, and oxygen is also coming in the cell, okay? So it is giving a waste material, waste compound CO2, okay? Metabolic water is also generated, H2O. This is the metabolic water. This is the CO2 which we will exhale, means human will exhale, animal will exhale, okay? But in results of this, they will what? Generate ATP. How many ATP? 38 ATP. So this is a catabolic reaction taking place inside the cell. Where is actually taking place inside the cell? So inside the cell, it is taking place inside the mitochondria. You know this structure? You should know this structure very well. This is called as mitochondria. In an eukaryotic cell, in an eukaryotic cell, in a single eukaryotic cell, 50 to 5000 mitochondria can be present. In the single eukaryotic cell, 50 to 5000 mitochondria can be present. And you know that the mitochondria is having structure like this. This is called as F1 particle. This structure inside this, it is called as F1 particle. This is called as F1 particle. This is F1 particle, and this is actually the site of glycolysis. Okay, so mitochondria is the site where the ATP generation is taking place. That's why mitochondria is also called as powerhouse of cell. Mitochondria is also called as powerhouse of cell. Powerhouse of cell. Now, when the glucose is catabolizing, so it is calling as a glycolysis. If cell will not get the glucose, what will happen? Cell will utilize protein, that will be called as proteolysis. If cell will not get the protein, so it will use lipid or fat called as lipolysis. So number one, glycolysis. If cell is not getting glucose, so glycolysis will not happen. Cell will be carrying out proteolysis. The third one, if it will not get the protein also, so cell will utilize lipolysis. This is the process where the biochemical process where the oxidation of organic compound in an orderly manner takes place and liberation of ultimate amount of chemical energy, that is called as ATP. This is a biochemical process takes place in the cell. So hope you understand this mechanism. Thank you very much.